When setting up your device, a contact entry will be automatically created for you and known as My Card. This will always be listed at the top of the contacts list, as well as displayed in the contacts list alphabetically. The information in your My Card entry can be edited like any other contact. We can change which contact is marked as My Card in settings. Tap on My Info here, and we can select any currently saved contact or create a new one to be saved as My Card. Select Lisa D here, and now in Contacts, her information is saved under My Card. That will sync over on the iPhone as well. The information saved in your My Card entry can be used to autofill forms in Safari and other apps. On this webpage, an address can be added to my profile. Tap in the name field and then autofill contact. That will enter the contact information saved for the Lisa D entry. Let's switch back to Warren as the My Card entry. Now in Safari, Warren's information is used for autofill. He has both a home and work address saved, so we are able to select which one to use here. If I reload this, we can single tap on each suggestion to autofill the fields one by one. This is a bit more of a careful method when entering your info. Having a My Card entry that contains accurate contact information can save time when needing to enter details on your iOS devices. Next up, we will look at adding and editing contacts.